Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and exposing the bond. Scrub out dirt, lift the old adhesive, and let the shoe dry. Once done, sand both surfaces. This increases surface area and mechanical grip. Apply a thin, even coat of contact cement or shoe-specific adhesive to both parts and wait until it becomes tacky. That's critical for a strong initial grab. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and wear gloves, because solvents evaporate and help the glue penetrate the material. Once both surfaces are tacky, position the sole carefully. Alignment now determines final comfort and function. Start at the heel and roll your way to the toe to avoid trapped air. Pressing progressively reduces bubbles and ensures edge contact. Clamp or weight the shoe with even pressure for the manufacturer's recommended time, often for 24 hours. Consistent pressure cures a better bond. If glue squeezes out, remove excess quickly with a cloth dampened in recommended solvent to keep seams clean. You finish by trimming any hardened overflow and giving the shoe gentle flexing tests. That shows whether the bond is fully cured. If you see small gaps, inject a thin bead of the same adhesive, press closed, and reclamp. For large or repeatedly failing separations, you may need to replace the sole or consult a cobbler. Some materials need industrial adhesives. Troubleshooting tip: if glue won't stick, the surfaces likely have oil or release layer. Resand and clean with acetone, then repeat the bonding steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.